Hello traders, welcome to today's video. In this video I will be discussing with you the strategy and indicator that can help you to identify when the price is on trend. This strategy and indicator that I'm about to share with you work in all kinds of trading style, whether you are a scalper, day trader or a swing trader. But before we jump to the video, please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Without any other delay, let's dive into the video. This indicator that I'm about to share with you is based off two indicators, which are parabolic SAR and MACD. MACD is an acronym for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Parabolic SAR is an indicator that will help you identify trend and also help you to know when the trend has reversed. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This tool is used to identify moving averages that are indicating a new trend, whether it's bullish or bearish. After all, our top priority in trading is being able to find a trend because that is where the most money is made. To apply these indicators to our chart, let's navigate to Indicator Search Bar. There, we search for MACD, which has an acronym for Moving Average Convergence Divergence made by TradingView. Then click on it to add it on the chart. When you add it, your chart will look like this. So let's talk on how this MACD indicator works. When a new trend occurs, the fast line, which is the blue line, will react first and eventually cross the slower line, which is the orange line. When this crossover occurs and the fast line starts to diverge or move away from the slower line, it often indicates that a new trend has formed. From the chart, you can see that the fast line crossed under the slow line and correctly identified a new downtrend. Notice that when the lines crossed, the histogram temporarily disappears. This is because the difference between the lines at the time of the cross is zero. As the downtrend begins and the fast line diverges away from the slow line, the histogram gets bigger, which is good indication of a strong trend. Also, when the blue and red line is below the histogram, bear it in mind that price is on massive downtrend, and when the line is above the histogram, the price is massive uptrend. So when the line is above or below the histogram and the line diverges, pay much attention because price may reverse. And before we go further, we will tell you the important uses and characteristics of this indicator. 1. Used to catch trends early and can also help us spot trend reversals. 2. It consists of two moving averages, which is fast and slow moving average, and vertical lines called a histogram, which measures the distance between the two moving averages. 3. Contrary to what many people think, the moving average lines are not moving averages of the price, they are moving averages of other moving averages. 4. MACD's downfall is its lags, because it uses so many moving averages. 5. One way and best way to use MACD is to wait for the fast line to cross over or cross under the slow line and enter the trade accordingly because it signals a new trend. Without any delay, let's talk about the second indicator, which is parabolic SAR. A parabolic SAR is an indicator that places dots or points on a chart that indicate potential reversals in price movement. To add this indicator on our chart, we navigate to the indicator search bar and search for parabolic SAR. Select the one made by TradingView. When it is added to your chart will look clear like this. The nice thing about the parabolic SAR is that it is really simple to use. Basically, when the dots are below the candles, it is a buy signal, and when the dots are above the candles, it is a sell signal. Before we set example base of this indicator, we will like to tell some importance and characteristics of this indicator. 1. This indicator is made to spot trend reversals, hence the name parabolic stop and reversal. 2. This is the easiest indicator to interpret because it only gives bullish and bearish signals. 3. When the dots are above the candles, it is a sell signal. 4. When the dots are below the candles, it is a buy signal. 5. These are best used in trending markets that consist of long rallies and downturns. So let's see an example on how you can place a trade using these indicators. Here is on a USD on 4-hour time frame. Seeing that the fast and slow line is trading below the histogram, which signals us that price is on downtrend. Suddenly the fast line diverges the slow line and the histogram gets bigger, which tells us that trend is about to change. Then we apply our parabolic SAR to really confirm if trend has changed. On applying it, we see that it is presenting us with 3 points under the candles, which tells us that trend has changed completely. With this, we can enter the market, setting our stop loss some pips below the previous low and our take profit to the previous swing high. As you can see, we capitalize on this trade. Okay, let's look at another example using this indicator. Let's go to AUD USD on 1 hour time frame. Seeing that the fast and slow line is trading above the histogram and looking at chat, price is on uptrend. Suddenly the fast line diverges the slow line, signaling you that trend is about to go downwards. Then when add the parabolic SAR. When it is added, we can see that it has dropped 3 points in the chart, which help us to confirm the trade. Then confirming all this, we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss some pips away from the previous high and setting our take profit on the next low. And let's see how it played out. As you can see, we capitalize on this trade. As we come to the end of the video, I will advise you that before you add or use these indicators and strategy that we talked about on your trading style, try to backtest it over and over again to master the pros and cons of it. And share to us what you think about this video and your questions on the comment section. We will be glad to reply you, and lastly, remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you on our next video.